All right, to be considered a full-fledged language, there are five requisite pieces any language must have. And so from the bottom up, we've got phonology, we have morphology, we have semantics, syntax, and then we have this fifth piece that really, in some ways, is the glue that holds all the other four together, and that's pragmatics. Another way to talk about that fifth piece or that pragmatic portion is to talk about it as the socio-cultural pieces that bring the language together. So let's talk briefly about those other four pieces. So phonology. In English, phonology is the smallest individual sounds that don't hold any meaning. And that's not just for English, but that's for any language. In English, though, in particular, if we take the word cat, that has three distinct sounds. K, a, t, k, a, t. Three distinct phonemes. Cat. If we add an S onto that, that has now four distinct phonemes. Cats. But if we take another word like church, for example, we've got ch, ch. So even though that's a word with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters, we actually only have three distinct phonemes in that particular word. So if we go back to our example of cats, we look at morphemes. Morphemes are the smallest units that actually hold meaning. So cats has, or let's talk about cat first. Cat has one morpheme. Cat together means one basic concept. If we add, though, this additional phoneme, it changes the whole meaning of it, of that concept. So then we have cats, which means more than one, multiple cats. It changes the meaning. Well, that's an interesting phoneme because it also serves as a morpheme. So cat has one morpheme, whereas cats has two morphemes. Believe has one morpheme, to believe something. Believable has two morphemes. And then if I said it was unbelievable, we'd have three morphemes. Semantics means the actual meaning behind sentences and words both. So if I said the word cat or I said the word dog, we would all have some level of shared meaning. Now, if I gave everybody art materials, you would all draw something slightly different. But most of us would all draw something with pointed ears, fur, walking on four legs, having a tail, whiskers. We would be able to see that it was clearly a cat. And then syntax means the actual word order that we put things in. And typically, most languages, not all languages, but most languages follow an SVO word order. Subject, verb, object. I, subject, verb, like, object, candy. I go to school. He dates Betty. Subject, verb, object.